have ALCATEL U5 and let me show you how to use the hardware test mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to open this test mode. Let's use the phone's dialer right here. Let's activate the keypad and let's use the following secret code: *2886#. And this is the ALCATEL mobile phone testing menu. Here you can read a couple of information. You can perform the automatic test, so you can automatically test all features, or you can choose manual. By using manual, you can now choose your desired test, so you can navigate here by tapping appropriate options. You can, for example, use the LCD black test, so you can test the black light on the screen. You can tap pass if everything is alright. You can also test the gray light. Let me tap pass. Here you can also test the keypad, main camera, front flash. You can test the receiver, for example, right here. In my case, it working just fine. Tap pass. You can also use speaker. Everything is alright. Let's choose pass. You can test the vibrator. That's it. And also the headset, USB, the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, memory lifetime. And you can also perform the hard reset operation. So if you would like to, you can wipe all data by using this mode. So that's it. Let's go back to quit the test menu. And now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.